guys, my name is KAyLA, and today I am going to be reviewing some Lucky Day items. So, let's get on to the video. Let's go with package number 1. I haven't opened it yet, so let's see. Let's see what's inside this. Okay, I just got some scissors. Now I'm going to cut this. Okay, I thought the packaging would be different. So I have had this for a while, and that may be why it's bent. This is not what I expected it to be. Okay, I'm going to get Colleen, and I'm going to have her see this. I'm going to see if Colleen can figure out what this does. So just try and mess around with it. It worked! Okay, now I'm going to try to get Lila. It works!
Wait, what is that?
It's supposed to be it's a prank thing. Yeah. Try again. It works! I'm so surprised. I thought it wouldn't come with batteries. It comes with batteries though. Okay, I'm going to get Lila. Okay, right with this. Just go. Yes! I thought it was good. Ready?
Yeah.
Right. Try again.
No, that hurts.
Nice job. This is definitely A+. I did not think it would come with batteries, and it stinks a lot better than I thought it would. That definitely was really good. Now I'm going to do number 2. I'm not showing the other side because I don't want guys to see where I live. Okay, very interesting. I should try this and then show you how it actually works. I'm going to cut open it. Okay, it feels... The cons are the water can easily spill, so with some of these I didn't put in a lot of water because I didn't want to spill any water, so I was surprised at how well they turned out. Also, that's why I didn't do them all, because I didn't want to make a huge puddle, but they turned out really well, and now I kind of wish I did more. Number 3. I thought these would be cool to see circle ice. So I know it says the dimensions and stuff, but these are so much smaller than the picture, which I'm not surprised. On the other hand, they're just so tiny. I really liked how with this one, there's the lid over it, so you don't have to worry about spilling, although the hole is tiny to put in water. I really liked how it turned out, although it was hard to get out. Yeah, I don't know if I'm just bad at it, but I really struggled getting it out. You can watch this painful time lapse of me just trying to get it out. But once it finally came out, I really liked it, and I could see myself using it for when I want a cold drink. Guys, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please let me know if you want to see more videos like this. Guys, please make sure to subscribe and comment. And by the way, guys, there is a giveaway. Somebody is going to be a winner in the comment section, and I'm going to send them something through Lucky Day. And so it'll probably take a few months for them to send it to you. But that's why I'd recommend commenting. Thank you so much for watching. Yeshua loves you and test everything. Bye, guys. By the way, just to clarify, this video is not sponsored.